Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm looking for you.
Okay. Why sa video?
Working hard for 15 weeks, and it's good to be back in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and bring home the victory. Yes, to our road to greatness. Thank you, everyone.
Did you ride the rainbow airplane? Did you see the clouds?
Are you waiting for me there?
Yes, I was waiting for you.
Did you see the cloud?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Right. We're now here in Malaysia. Hello. From Malaysia.
Malaysia to Malaysia.
Okay. We just landed in Malaysia.
And there's an Old Town coffee. It's not just an instant coffee.
What's Old Town Coffee?
It's a popular instant coffee. It's masarap. Here, because it's from Malaysia.
I want to try. Hi Pao, we're in Malaysia with Pao Pao.
Hola.
Say hi. Walking with Pao Pao in Kuala Lumpur.
Say hi. Wave your hand.
This is our van.
Hi, we're now going to Five Elements Hotel.
Let's go, Pao. I was waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Come. Where you go? What is that?
You can catch me.
Okay, so this is our rooms. This is Papa's room.
With the view of the street.
Show the view. It's the food crawl.
Hi. Oh, no more ano na. No more broccoli.
Mushroom,
Mushroom.
mushroom barbecue.
Isa na lang natira sa inyo, Tay.
Tagal mo eh.
Dami mo namang ano, susawa.
25 ringgit po yan. Bali parang 5 ringgit isa. Tama. Where's Pawi? Why hiding there?
Bye!
Okay, we're gonna have dinner now. We're gonna have dinner.
Spicy! It's really spicy pala. Tako na ito sa kanin.
Wow, ano yan? Wow,
Ito, salted shrimp.
how's the food?
It's good.
Nice. Hindi maanghang. Ulang.
Say hi.
Hi, we just had dinner.
We ate at Likey.
Likey Eatery.
Nabusog ba kayo sa Likey
Yes.
Eatery? Breakfast day 2.
Okay, okay, Carl.
Si Piami. Ano masarap?
Masarap to. Honey soup. This is my breakfast. Welcome to the breakfast buffet of 5 Elements Resort and Hotel and Casino.
May casino bigla eh. Kailangan kumain dahil akit kami ng hagdan.
Yeah, going to Batu.
Batu Caves later.
Mr. Vicky. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, today you're booking for full day tour. Yeah. So, in our itinerary, we got 3 stops. Yeah. So, first stop. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, good morning again. All of you are first time to Malaysia. Yes. Second time. First time. Okay. Welcome to Malaysia. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur.
Okay, we're now in Batu Caves.
Hello, we're now in Batu Cave, Malaysia.
That's a temple.
Say hello. We're now in Batu Cave.
In Batu Caves, we're gonna climb the mountain. Kumusta yung Batu Cave stair experience?
Ang dahil.
So we are now at Genting Highlands.
Use toilet and level 4, I show you the toilet. We spend for 5 minutes. Then we take in the cable car.
Me, can we go there? Papa sleeping. Oh no.
Hindi na. Siya na. Wala namang
Iko, child abuse.
Nasa cable, Ano ba ito? Cable car ride. Budol.
Genting Highlands.
Genting Highlands.
Genting Highlands.
Pao, tulog.
Walang kwenta yung roaming ng Globe.
Nag-roaming ka.
Wala halos
Tayo
na
nakikinig sa sinasabi.
Kasi, sa'yo ano mahal, sa kapipila ka. Oo, kasi kung sa oras mo.
May theme park dito.
Oo, dapat one go.
We're now here in Samtsai Yangchud Dim Sum.
Show.
Here in the
Ano na ba to? Genting na ba to?
Genting Highlands.
Okay. Testingin natin kung masarap. Ang isang bata dito, tulog na tulog.
So feast again. Feast day 2.
Tayo, masarap ba yan?
Sarap. Medyo spicy na konti. Pero okay.
So, ito, tulog ang isang bata dito. Hi, Pao. If you're watching this, you're sleeping. Kamusta yun sa'yo, Ida?
Hindi ko pa natitikman, but this one is good. Natikyab.
Okay. How about yours? Is it good? Okay, so nandito kami sa nasa ba tayo ngayon? Nasa Genting Entertainment City. What are you doing? Are you driving the bus? Okay, can I join you? Oh, mga fans ni Pao. Yan yung mga fans ni Pao.
Tatay nagawa kasi
It's so scary. Oh no.
Are you scared?
Cheer for Tatay!
Okay, let's go. Okay, tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. Woo! Talo si Ida. Talo na. Oh, out na si Ida. Ha ha ha! Lori, ayan na oh. Si Lori nanalo. Lori nanalo.
Give me my money.
Oh, excuse.
Thank you so much for that ringgit. Ang ko na ng pera. Baba mo nga yung bag. Ay, dyan siya dapat yung ano, activity. Yay! I'm so sorry, but the view is better. Ayun, ayun. Paano ka sa ano? There's a swimming look. There. On the left side. There, no?
Nalilito na.
Ayun, see.
Nalilito na.
There's a park right there.
Dito ka, dito. There. Pawi.
May kitang
Ay, seryoso ba't ang bilis?
Pababa na kasi.
Patayin mo dyan.
Up. Nasusuka yata. Yes, huwag ka nang tumingin dyan.
Nasusuka yata ako. Hindi tayo ganun kataas.
Oh no. Just close your eyes and breathe.
Ba't ang bilis? Let's close your eyes and hold to the Tammy's hand.
Hindi, tumingin ka kasi.
Ayun na, wala
Ano
na.
ka niyo pa? I'm not afraid.
I'm not scared.
Bilis.
Pawi,
Oh.
what country are we in? Are we in the Philippines? Yeah.
Where are we?
Latte. Ano gusto mo? Flat white.
Okay. Ano ba to? Day 3. Video. Day 3. China.
We're on Chinatown.
Yan mo siya duri-duri.
So hot. Very
Sunny.
sunny day.
Sunny day today. Nasa Chinatown kami.
Yeah.
We're going to...
The background ka. What's
Oh. Nasa Divisoria kami.
Hindi pa pauso pati
Dagang days. Sakto yan sa dagang days. Okay, nasa na ba tayo?
Hi. How are you? Aray. It's air condition.
We are now in Central Market. Kinakain nyo.
Hey! Hey, we're eating Peking duck here at Central Market.
Peking duck with sambal, chili sauce, ewan.
And assorted
With mani.
Ano yan?
Just bought a laksa from the Pur Sarawak here at the Central Market. Let's try this. They have a different noodles and have so many chopsticks in front of me.
Why? Why tatlong chopsticks?
Because we all Filipinos want to share our order to everyone here in the table. That's our tradition.
This is my plastic afterward. It's a toothpick.
Toothpick.
The chopstick. Let's go for me. So they have a different noodles. But I think the laksa is mukhang mas masarap yung kahapon. Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's
Give it
see,
a
let's
chance.
see. Yes. No judgment.
Mahirap pantayin yung kahapon. Masarap yun eh.
Yeah. How much is that? This is just 15 ringgit. Here's for you, Mr. and Miss Tolentino.
Yes.
Laksa for you.
Thank you, thank you.
And one chopstick for you also. Here's for the financer of my treat.
Bossing.
Dapat sa kanila yung malaki.
Yeah. There's... Dapat di mo na pinansin. Bon appetit. Ajoy.
This is Central Market Food Court.
Snow Pawpaw, the Labrador. Ano kayo nangyayari na dun sa Labrador?
I don't know, the fish maybe.
Okay, so now titikim si Ida ng snake fruit.
Snake, because the skin is like snake. So the proper way of opening it is just like a rambutan daw. As per. Hindi ko it's so... Because let's first give it to the financer. Try it first. Then, financer, please, kung muna tumikim.
Reaction video.
Parang mabolo.
Gumalaw ang fish nga.
Masarap.
Hindi, ano lasa? Ano lasa?
Hindi wala akong ma-compare.
Parang naghahanap ng dama yan.
Okay, ang daya ng dalawa.
Tignan kayo ba yung loob?
Ayaw. Oh, reaction video.
Maaari ba siyang ng tamis?
Nakakain ni nanay to. Like chico?
Hindi.
It's like mabolo.
Mabolo na.
Lasa siya mabolo. Pati texture. Pero mas matigas siya sa mabolo.
Bago.
It's like mabolo.
Mabaho? Mabahong durian.
Parang sa family of durian.
Hindi kinakain ito.
Ano to?
Ito, hindi kinakain.
We have one more.
Sabihin mo magsawa.
Oh,
Tignan nyo.
Sarap ba?
Malabo.
Sarap.
22. Pwede na.
Okay, shopping muna ng mga batik.
Dami. Yung size, nakita mo. Pwede yan sa akin.
Let's come on.
Tired.
Nasiyaw na. Wala na mabibili ba?
Wala nang cash. No cash. My cash is just...
dance, Pao! Come on, dance! Hi there. There's something inside. Yeah. You're friends, right? Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Say bow. Oh, bye-bye. Pau Pau is walking with Tito Tommy. She's having a great time. Say bye-bye. Pau, bye-bye. Bye. Pau, bye-bye.
We're now at the shawarma place again.
There's no sauce. What?
Okay, we're now having clay pot chicken. Okay. Lapaw. Okay, bubalik kami sa bato. Nike, Italy.
Where it all started.
So, beer lang. No, may pera pa ba?
Nagbibila naman ako pa rin.
Day 3, ano ba ito? Last day na.
Asa Pulubi, in Malaysia.
Last day na, bilangan na ng barya.
Hindi na ako ng
Alright guys, go set 180 degree and look where you came from. Just stop, I'll show you where to go.
Kaya mo pala binili yan.
Yeah, it's a hat.
Tatay, nag-enjoy ba si tatay? Struggle is real. Okay, nakarating din. Okay, now nasa food court sa ilalim ng Petronas Tower. Oh, did you enjoy, Pao? Did you enjoy the trip? Ay, wala. Di daw. Sa fuel shop. Lamb burger yung kinain ko, wala na. Classic burger. Yan, sa wakas, nakakain na si tatay. Oh, Pao, pagod na.
Bilis na.
Papa, say bye-bye. Ano daw favorite mo?
Favorite? All.
Isa-isa.
How about you?
What's your favorite?
Is every meal of the day.
Like what?
Laksa and clay pot.
Favorite ko lahat ng food. Everything is good.
How about you, Mom?
What's your favorite part of the trip?
Shopping.
The food trip.
Fossil.
And the fossil. Lori, and the Labradors.
And the fossils and the bidet.
The bidet.
Ano ulit? Oh, kiss mo si JP.
Nice.
Kiss mo si JP.
What's your favorite part of the trip?
Camping.
Camping. Favorite din ni Clara yun, yung cable car.
Papa, what's your favorite in Malaysia?
Oh, say goodbye now to the villa.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. See you. Thanks, say thank you, Malaysia.
Thank you,